So I'm just looking for the red lines there. And if the lines go red, I turn it down, is that right?
Yeah, pretty much. Everything's set up. You just
And-
need to watch number 1.
Maybe like a...
We could turn it into a montage a bit and get it the same shot, and then we can just like cross cut it.
Yeah.
Please go around the back and just throw it to your left.
Maybe like emphasize it. Now walk back, and then like lead them to like throw another one like here.
Just like throw the bread
Yeah,
anyway.
Add a little bit of flair, add some style.